So guys, today we are going to learn something more advanced about React hooks. And first of all, you know that you can create a child here using Mimo, and it is going to prevent from unwanted re-renders. Okay. And so now when you use a Mimo, you always going to have a display name, so it is more easily understood what your component does. Okay? So now there is a question here. We have our child, and here it is. Okay? But now let's say we have one function in our child, okay? So it is like child function, okay? And now use a callback. If you don't know what use a callback does, watch our older video and you are going to understand it. But here we have our button, and this button is like the child button, okay? And okay. Hey, now when it's clicked, we are going to run the child function. Okay, just fix it, yes. Okay, now it's alright, and here we go, and we can alert our user that it is the child was clicked. Okay, so here child, oh that's nice. But now let's say we have here something that we need to access from child function, and it is here that we need to access our function. But how are we going to do that? Well, first of all, we need to create a forwardref. And what it is going to do, like the name says, we will have a ref, and this ref is going to be forwarded to our child. And here we go. And so we go. Then here we're going to have the props if you pass any. In our case we don't, so just put this underline, so Yasmin is not going to be complaining about it. And here we get our ref, okay? And now, how can we pass it? So here we have like child ref, so we are going to pass it to our child, and there we go. So the only way to access a ref like this is if we pass a forwardref to our child. If we don't, we are not going to be able to access the ref in our props, for example. But if you give any name you want to it, it's going to work fine, okay? Like, you're only going to like create the property here in the child, yes. But in our case, here we go. And now comes in handy to use imperative handle. And what does it do? Here we go. So what it does is like you need to have the ref that we are going to be passing our functions. It doesn't matter what you pass here, it's going to be accessible in our child ref in here, okay? So and here we have our function that's going to pass all our properties that we want to this ref to have, okay? So if now we go in here and like create our own click function, it's going to be b. Let's just see child ref, and here we go. And so what we will be able to see in here. Let's open our console log, and 1, 2, 3, and whoa, here we have it, all of our properties that we defined in here. Did you see it? I think so. So now we just need to access the child function, and it's going to work just fine. So here we go, and here we go. Thank you, React. And there we have it. Our child function is being accessible also in our parent. So now if you use TypeScript, you can see that we have an error here, and how can we fix it? So first of all, we need to create an interface. So let's say I like to create a interface always using I and the name of the interface, which is, I don't know, child have, like the name is it. And Minecraft, Minecraft really cool. And so here our have is going to be, oh my, is going to have iChild, and in here we can also go in our forward have and just use it. So if you go here, what's going to happen? And whoa, and now we have to, create the entity is sorry, and now that's the M. So that's how you use TypeScript with a forward have, and that's how you pass child functions to your parent. And I think that lesson helped you in some way or another. And if you did so, please remember to hit the thumbs up and also subscribe to this humble channel. I'm so grateful. Oh, yes, I think so. So thank you guys, thank you both.